What are the most useful math acronyms? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by math concepts and procedures? Well, you are not alone. Many students struggle with remembering important rules. One effective way to tackle this is by using acronyms as memory aids. Let's take a look at some of the most useful math acronyms that can help you study smarter. First up is the acronym PEMDAS, which stands for Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. This handy phrase helps you remember the order of operations in math. The order is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Following this sequence is essential for solving expressions correctly and avoiding mistakes. Next, we have TOA. This acronym is a must-know for anyone studying trigonometry. It helps you remember the ratios of sides in a right triangle. SO stands for sine equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. KH stands for cosine equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Finally, TOA stands for tangent equals opposite divided by adjacent. This acronym is a great way to recall which sides to use when working with angles. Another useful acronym is dry mix. This one is all about understanding coordinate graphs. D stands for dependent variable, R reminds you where to plot dependent variables on the y-axis, M stands for manipulated variable, and X tells you where to plot independent variables on the x-axis. This acronym helps clarify which variable goes on which axis when graphing. Then we have KHDBDCM, which stands for King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. This acronym is a fun way to remember metric prefixes for conversions. It represents kilo, hecto, deca, base units like liter, gram, and meter, deci, centi, and milli. Using this acronym makes it easier to convert units by moving decimal places correctly. Another handy acronym is DMSBR, which stands for divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, remainder, or repeat. This is especially useful for long division when calculators are not allowed. It reminds you of the steps to follow when dividing numbers by hand. Lastly, there is a visual mnemonic called greater than or less than alligator. This is not an acronym, but it is widely used to help students understand inequalities. The alligator mouth always opens toward the larger number, making it easier to remember which way the inequality sign points. To make the most of these math acronyms, try saying them out loud or even creating a catchy song. Writing them down repeatedly can also help reinforce your memory. Using gestures, like clapping, engages multiple senses and aids in recall. Practice problems that requiring these concepts to apply the acronyms actively. Combining them with visual aids or word associations can also strengthen your memory. These acronyms serve as mental shortcuts, simplifying complex math rules. They are practical tools that can make learning math more manageable. By using them regularly, you can improve your confidence and performance in tests and everyday math tasks. So, give these acronyms a try and watch your math skills soar.